Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to install Face ID on absolutely any iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also friends, write your comments after watching. And let's get started friends. And let's say if for some reason you had Face ID before, but you deleted it or reset it. Or you've got a new iPhone and you'd like to install Face ID. I'm going to show you how you can do that very quickly and easily. Okay friends, first of all you will need to open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and select the Face ID and password option. Click on that. Enter your phone password. After that you will need to select the option to set Face ID. Click on that. And now you'll need to press Start. This way you will proceed, friends, to create your future Face ID. Now you will need to place your face in such a way that it just fits in the circle. And as you can see, you need to do some head movement for the phone to remember your face. Then friends, you can also confirm, for example, your face with a mask. If you often wear a mask, you will find this function useful. But if you don't, then just press this option at the bottom. And then you're done. So as you can see, Face ID will be installed immediately and features like iPhone Unlock will be connected to it, as well as iTunes and App Store purchases and other features. I also recommend that you scroll down a little bit on the Face ID password page and click on this feature. It, friends, will help you avoid having your phone stolen and turn it on. So when someone steals your phone or you lose it somewhere, no one will be able to use it because your phone will be protected by Face ID. That's how you can install Face ID on absolutely any iPhone very easily and quickly. Friends, I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be sure to put your likes. See you, friends!